Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would show you the final result of two paintings I did last week. And the first one is this one. It's in purple and violet colors. And I have this ivory white, which I think looks really nice. When my paintings are dry, I always use this one. It's a canvas varnish, and the one I use is called Gloss Brilliant. So the paintings always get this shiny effect. Can you see it? Anyway, this is so beautiful. So if you like purple colors, violet colors, so pretty. And also with the gold from the spray paint, so beautiful. You can see the full video if you want to make something similar. I have a full video, so go check it out. Now on to the next one. Also very, very, very beautiful. It's a bit similar to the other one. This one also have Prussian blue in it, and also still the ivory and some purple and pink. So pretty. The ivory really gives something extra. And also I have used my spray paint with gold. So this is 40 by 40 centimeters, also the other one. So I also have a full video on this one. So if you want to try it out, go check it out. Have a nice day. Bye.